Hi angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my new video, which probably you may guess is going to be a cleaning one. I start doing those type of videos quite often because it's, first of all, I want my house to be as clean as possible, and then second, because I'm waiting for guests this Saturday and I need to put my house in order. I need everything to be shiny, clean, to smell nice, like kind of candles and all those things. And today I'm gonna do probably the most difficult cleaning thing in my house, which is going to be my kitchen. Excuse me please for the background that you're hearing right now, but my boy is sitting here in the sofa and he's watching YouTube. I think he's watching the showers. What's the day? It's Tuesday night. It's about 5:30 p.m. I really hope that with this type of videos I can motivate you and give you a little bit of inspiration that if you don't want to start cleaning your house, if you are not feeling well to start doing this, believe me, you are not the only one. We all have those type of moments that we prefer to sit in a sofa with a cozy blanket, with a cozy cushion underneath, with a cup of something hot, some kind of a hot drink or something like this. But we have to start doing this. So yeah, let's get started and clean the kitchen. Actually, it's not too bad. I just need to get rid of some of the things. First of all, I don't know what about you, but I always love to put my hair in a tail or ponytail or anything like this. And the makeup that I have is since this morning. Probably I don't look so glamorous right now, but yeah, I really hope so that if you are cleaning your house, you are not putting your fresh makeup on.